Stop by and take a look at the 2020 Tiguan. With Volkswagen Tiguan, it's good to be turbo with class, and is priced below $30,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, four-wheel independent suspension, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, rear window wiper. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.